Ornamental flowers, ornamental plants beautify our environment. And when you have your own home, you can apply ornamental plants to beautify your house. Use it to beautify your environment. This does not require much skill. It requires only some commitment. Now, what do you need? You need only to learn how to grow and tender the ornamental plants grow up to maturity. For instance, these were planted a few years back, and once they have attained to maturity, you don't have much problem any longer caring for them. What is remaining is to trim them from time to time. So what we have here, we have various types of ornamental plants we use to beautify this house. You can see them: the red type, the yellow bush, the flowering type. They are all there. Okay, various types of them have them here. So they help in beautifying our environment, our homes, and some other areas. So for that reason, some little commitment is required in bringing up these ornamental flowers. So we have them here too. In addition to the garden here, the banana garden, we also have ornamental plants flowering to beautify the whole environment. So to grow these ornamental plants, they are generally cultivated by stem cutting, and this is best done during the wet season. At the same time, you also apply some water to them, even if you start planting them during the wet season. When you grow them at the initial stage, they need much water. That is where the commitment is needed. You need to apply water regularly, late in the evening, early in the morning, before the sun rises. So this will help to grow your ornamental plants. And as they grow to maturity, you will not need to water them any longer, because they take water from the soil directly and grow up to some stage as this. The needed thing, begin to trim them by. Let me know which type of ornamental plants you have around your home. Comment down. Which type of video do you want me to make regarding ornamental plants and horticulture? I'm expecting your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video. See you another time. Bye bye.